Hello and welcome back everyone. In our previous video, we learned about the output parsers in LangChain, and in today's video, we are going to learn about custom output parsers in LangChain. Let's understand what is custom output parsers. Custom output parsers in LangChain are tools or components that allow developers to define how the outputs of language models should be processed and structured before they are returned to the user. These parsers can be tailored to fit specific needs or formats, making it easier to work with the model's responses in a consistent and meaningful way. In summary, we can say that custom output parsers in LangChain provide developers with the flexibility to tailor the outputs of language models to specific requirements. This capability is crucial for building robust, user-friendly applications that leverage the power of language models in a structured and predictable manner. In today's video, we will explore two ways to create custom output parsers in LangChain. First, use parse functions, and another approach to implement a parser is by inheriting from BaseOutputParser. Let's get started. First, we will create the virtual environment with follow this command. Our virtual environment has been created. Now we will activate our virtual environment using name of the virtual environment /scripts/activate command. After activate the virtual environment, we will create the requirements txt file to write down the required libraries for this project. Now run this command to install all the required libraries. All the required libraries has been installed. For LLM, we will use OpenAI. Now, we will set up our environment variables. These variables include our API keys for OpenAI, which we will store securely using a.env file. This ensures our sensitive information stays safe. Create the .env file. Put your OpenAI_API_ key here. To get the OpenAI API key, open your browser and type OpenAI API key and sign up. Now click on API keys and click on Create API key. Copy the API key and paste it in .env file. Create a new file to write the code. Let's begin by exploring a simple yet effective custom output parser that swaps the case of the text. Import necessary modules for environment variables. Import os.env. Import chat OpenAI class to interact with the OpenAI language model. From LangChain_OpenAI import chat OpenAI. Import AI message class for message handling. From LangChain_Quart, messages import AI message. Load environment variables from a.env file. .env load_.env. Initialize the chat OpenAI model with the API key from environment variables. Model equals chat OpenAI. API_key equals os .env OpenAI_API_key. Define a function parse that takes an AI message object and returns a string. Swap the case of the content in the AI message. Def parse AI_message AI message -str. Parse the AI message. Return AI_message.content.swap case. Create a chain by combining the chat OpenAI model and the custom parser. Chain equals model parse. Invoke the chain with an input message, hello. Output equals chained. Invoke, hello. Print the output of the chain. Print, output. In this example, we defined a custom parser function called parse that swaps the case of the text content. We then created a chain by combining the chat OpenAI model with our custom parser. Let's see the output when we feed it the message, hello. You can see the output. Our parser has swapped the case of the response. Now, let's explore a more complex custom output parser that extracts person details from text using regular expressions. This one's a bit more involved, but incredibly useful. Here, to create custom output parser, we will use the BaseOutputParser class. First, comment the first way part. Import necessary modules for regular expressions. Import prompt template to define the input prompt. From LangChain_core.prompts import prompt template. Import BaseOutputParser for creating custom parsers. From LangChain_cord, output_parsers, import BaseOutputParser. Define a custom output parser class PersonDetailsParser that inherits from BaseOutputParser. Class PersonDetailsParser, BaseOutputParser. Define a method parse within the PersonDetailsParser class that takes a string input and returns a dictionary of extracted details. Here we will use the regular expressions to extract details like name, age, and email from the input text. Def parse, self, text, str-dict. Hashtag use regular expressions to extract details. Name_match equals research, rname, \s asterisk, azaz, plus \s, azaz, plus text. Age_match equals research, rh, \s asterisk, \d plus text. Email_match equals research, remail, \s asterisk, \w d dash plus at, \w dot dash plus text. Hashtag extract and return the details in a dictionary. Details equals name, name_match dot group, 1, if name_match else none. Age, int, age_match dot group, 1, if age_match else none. Email, email_match dot group, 1, if email_match else none. Return details. Define a prompt template to provide the input text for parsing. Prompt_template equals prompt template. Template equals extract the person's details from the following text, \n text. Input_variable sad face text. Instantiate the custom parser. Person_details_parser equals PersonDetailsParser. Create a chain by combining the prompt, the model, and the custom parser. Chain equals prompt_template model person_details_parser. Define the input text. Input_text equals my name is Shivam Sharma and I am 22 years old. My email is shivam@example.com. And currently I am parsing my graduation. Invoke the chain with a dictionary containing the input text and print the output. And hold the response in the output variable. Output equals chained. Invoke text input_text. Print the output of the chain. Print output. In this example, we defined a custom output parser class called PersonDetailsParser that extracts person details such as name, age, and email from the input text using regular expressions. We then created a chain by combining a prompt template, the OpenAI model, and our custom parser. Let's see the extracted details from the provided text. Here, you can see the response our custom output parser has extracted the information from the input text. In today's video, we learned about the custom output parser in LangChain. We explored 2 ways to create the custom output parser in LangChain. First, using parse function, and another approach to implement a parser is by inheriting from BaseOutputParser. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.